how to fit a whisk or a mixing paddle to an SDS drill. Now to do this, it's exactly the same how we add an SDS drill bit. So here's our mixing paddle or whisk, whatever you want to call it. And what you need to do is buy a whisk or a mixing paddle with the SDS drill adapter. Now, if you already have a whisk, you can get a chuck adapter for the SDS drill. A lot already come with it. You have the SDS connection at the end here, simply slip it in. So you either need to buy one of these if you don't already have one, the chuck adapter, so it fits your non-SDS whisk. But if you have this, it's simple, and you add it just like you would with any SDS drill. Pull back the lever, slot it in, and there you go. We've now added our whisk, as you can see, to our SDS drill. So hopefully that helps you out how to add a whisk or a paddle to your SDS drill. To remove it, simply pull back the lever and remove it like that. So hopefully, if this video helps you out, give the video a like, hit the subscribe because it really helps us out, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.